Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Asana for free 2023. So here we are on the Asana website. So what is Asana? Well, Asana is used for businesses, companies. It's like Discord for businesses, where you can compile your projects, your teams, and everything else. So just follow the tutorial I'm showing you here. What you need to do first, it's not showing here, but you need to create an Asana account. And I just can't seem to show you that because my account is currently logged in. So I'm just gonna skip over to how you can download it and what other features are in Asana. So in order to download, just head over to website and then click on download 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on what bit you're using on your PC. So this is Asana. I'm currently on Asana, and you can see here there are already different things that might be surprising for you. But if you head over to your home, you'll see the overview of like what you have, what teams you're part of, and what projects you're part of, what tasks you need to do working, which you can also check by checking to my task. And also you can see that which projects are part of this, but those aren't really important right now. So here are projects. Projects are projects, and each projects are given to different people with lots of assignees. It's like companies, to make it simple. Projects are like companies. It's like what you're working on. But if you're talking about company, then that's really what team is. But so you can see, if you check out teams, you'll see what projects some teams are a part of. You can add members, you can give them goals, add some templates to make things easier. And here you can also communicate with them through messages. And you can see what jobs you have through the calendar on the top left corner of the screen. But yeah, good luck and explore Asana on your own. Asana to learn more about it. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.